Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Colors name. White color, red color, pink color, orange color, sky blue color, yellow color, light green color, dark green color, brown color, blue color, dark blue color, black color and purple color. A for avocado. A for avocado. B for banana. B for banana. C for carrot. C for carrot. D for donut. D for donut. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F for fruits. F for fruit. G for girl. G for girl. H for house. H for house. I for eyes. I for eyes. J for jelly. J for jelly. Black color. A for apricot. B for butterfly. C for candy. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for guitar. H for home. I for import. J for joker. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So kids, today we learn ABCD but in small letter. So kids, I hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.